there! I have some really exciting news to share with you today about ServiceMonster's newest feature, the Month View. The Month View is a great way to quickly look over a single or multiple routes and get a clear idea of where your time and resources stand for the day. Selecting a single route from the All Resources dropdown will show you all the events for that day for the route, including event types, conflicts, start time, etc. Selecting multiple routes from the All Resources dropdown will show you a total count of events for the day broken down by event type. Regardless of view type, every day in Month View has a header with a temp icon in the upper right corner, indicating how filled your day is based on the current selected resources, and below that is the revenue total for all resources. The temp icon appears in different colors for a quick visual reference of how full each day is and which are still open for additional scheduling. We're really excited about this feature because utilizing both the week view and month view allows for a more seamless workflow with instant access to some of the most crucial information for your day. Stay tuned to learn more in depth about all the exciting capabilities of the new Month View feature, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!